Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about, how this works on transferring money from Coinstats to bank account. I've seen a lot of people, making videos on this, having posts on this. Now look at this amount. You cannot actually withdraw this amount. This is basically just a portfolio tracker. That is what Coinstats is. Let me show you what they officially say. They are a portfolio tracker, which means that you cannot withdraw funds from it. So if you see anyone that is claiming otherwise, just ignore them because they are likely to be scammers. Okay? So all of these people that say you can withdraw these things, you cannot actually do that. Okay? It is not possible because this is just a portfolio tracker. Okay, you're not going to be withdrawing any funds. So I hope you appreciate the honesty, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.